May dump Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral add yours Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram account, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram account, you'll have to go to May add yours, add highlights. If you go to my story, then you'll have to know that that story will expire in just a few hours, in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go to May add yours, add highlights. And here you'll have to tap until you find the desired sticker. And you can also check my other viral trends if you like. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose some random photos from May, and I will go ahead and do that. First I will go with this photo. Now you can place it where you want by using your two fingers. And then if you want to add a second photo, then you have to click on stickers from the top of the screen and then click on the plus icon. And then choose your second photo. I will go with this one, let's say. And then you have to do the same thing for your third or fourth photo. Click on the stickers, then click on the plus icon and choose your fourth photo. Place it where you want by using your two fingers. And then once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you'll have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 or 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that if you have problems by clicking on the add yours button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and comment down below in the comment section, and I will make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.